Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to restore USB capacity to its original size. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. First of all, you need to open Disk Management. To do that, right click to start and then click Disk Management. Once you're in Disk Management, as you can see here, the second column is my USB flash drive. And for today's video, I'm using a 4GB flash drive. And as you can see here, the flash drive is using 2GB out of 4, and the other 1.8GB, it's unallocated, or in other words, it's not being used. I did this on purpose just for this video. So what you need to do right now to fix this issue right here, you need to open the command prompt. To do that, go to search and type cmd, and make sure you run it as administrator, because if you don't, the command that I will show you won't work. So make sure you run it as administrator. Now, before I show you the steps on what to do in the command prompt, make sure you remove everything from your USB flash drive, because the command that I will show you will clean everything on the USB flash drive. So make sure you check your flash drive if it has anything important in there. And yeah, after you have removed everything from your flash drive, you are now good to go to do the commands. So what you need to type right now, you need to type disk part, and it should say Microsoft disk part version, this version right here, and below it should say disk part and that little symbol that I do not remember how it's called. You need to type right now list volume to show the volumes that your computer has. Now you need to select your flash drive. For me it's volume 3, as you can see right here, USB drive. For you it may not be volume 3, it may be, for example, volume 4, 5, 6, or even volume 1 or 2. What you need to do right now, after you have found what's your flash drive, you need to type select volume 3. As I said, it's not going to be the same as mine, it will be volume 4, 5, 6, etc. And after you have typed select volume, the number that your USB has, it should say volume 3 is the selected volume. Right now you need to type clean, and it will clean, as it says here, disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. And as you saw in disk management, everything, all the gigabytes, it's unallocated. And do not worry, I did not have anything in my flash drive. I cleared it out before I did this video. And yeah, right now we're done with command prompt. You can safely close that, and you need to go back to disk management to make this a new partition. What you need to do, click where it says unallocated, right click and then click new simple volume. It should pop up this window right here. Click next. Here, choose the maximum volume that it has. For me, it's 3,828 megabytes. And because if you put one number above that maximum one, it won't let you continue. So make sure it's a full number that it has here. After that, click next. Choose whatever letter you want for your USB flash drive. Click next, and here you need to change the file system from FAT to FAT32. And after you have changed it from FAT to FAT32, change the volume label to whatever you want. I'm gonna put USB drive, and then click next. And as you can see, if you click finish, it will finish making the USB flash drive a partition. It will take a bit of time to make it, and as you can see here, all the gigabytes, 3.74 gigabytes, is a partition right here. As you can see, there are no gigabytes left aside or unallocated. And yeah, that's a video guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.